Watermelon is a delicious and refreshing fruit that's also good for you. Watermelon has a high water content. This makes it hydrating and helps you feel full. Watermelon is a low-calorie fruit high in some nutrients, especially carotenoids, vitamin C, and cucurbitacin E. Some compounds in watermelon, including cucurbitacin E and lycopene, have been studied for their potential to prevent cancer, though study results are mixed. Watermelon has several heart-healthy components, including lycopene, citrulline and other vitamins and minerals. Lycopene and vitamin C are anti-inflammatory antioxidants found in watermelon. Inflammation is linked to many chronic diseases. Lycopene may help keep eyes healthy and protect against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Watermelon juice has some potential as a recovery beverage after exercise. Citrulline may be partially responsible for its effect of easing muscle soreness. Several nutrients in watermelon are good for your hair and skin. Some help keep skin supple while others protect against sunburn. Fiber and water are important for healthy digestion. Watermelon contains both. I hope that you will like this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.